Hello friends, I am Anirban Gupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is dessert item recipe. So recipe name is Oreo Milkshake and you also called Oreo Layered Milkshake. So let's see what is the ingredients. 1 cup milk, 1 or 2 cup milk. Then after needed 8 number Oreo biscuits. Then after needed 3 scoop vanilla ice cream, and then after needed chocolate sauce. This is the key ingredients of Oreo milkshake. So let's see what is the next step. See friends, at first I separate this biscuit. I separate. This is the butter side. This is the butter side and this is the normal side. So I separated properly. See friends, I have separated this Oreo biscuit. This is the cream side and this is the only normal side. So let's see the next step. See friends, at first this side of Oreo biscuit crushed well properly. At first I take a normal paper, then after pour into the paper this Oreo biscuit and also crushed well properly. See friends, our Oreo this biscuit crushed well properly. So let's see. See, this is the crushed well properly, and now let's see the next step. So at first this butter side Oreo biscuits break well properly. Then after add the milk, and then after add vanilla ice cream. And now see friends, this is the this is the mixed well properly. See friends, Oreo milkshake is now ready and mixed well properly. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take a glass and then after add chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup add, then after add this milkshake, and now garnish with crushed Oreo biscuits. See friends, our Oreo milkshake is now ready and this is the beautiful color. See friends, and Oreo milkshake is now served garnished with chocolate sauce and Oreo crushed biscuits. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.